Okay, now I've put it on its side to prevent it from slipping. Now, let's keep crushing it. Wow, look at that. It crushed it pretty nicely. Press head marks on there, imprinted pretty nicely. The bulge there is from the press head. Gold is actually almost infinitely malleable, which means you can crush it as many times as you want. Now, let's crush it sideways and see what happens. So we can see how malleable gold metal is by how it was just like flowing down when the hydraulic press head was coming down and applying pressure. You can also see the streaks there from the press head, and yeah, wow. Whoa! It's just like bending the metal back here. I don't think I need it anymore, maybe I'll just chuck it.